Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Julieta M. Untalan,
And you're from?
Filipina. Come from Philippines.
How old are you?
37.
Okay, are you single or married?
Widow.
You're widow. Do you have children?
Yeah, I have three.
Three. Where are they now?
This in my mother in Philippines.
In Philippines. Okay, so when would you be able to start working? When can you start for a new job?
Uh,
When will your visa expire with your employer?
August 20.
August
August
20.
20, 2014.
Okay, so
Yeah.
after that, you can already start for a new job.
Yeah.
Okay, so by August, end of August, you can start for a new job.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
I have a cousin.
You have cousin.
Yeah.
Okay, please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
Mm, I'm working inside the house,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning, ironing, washing clothes,
Okay, so do they have
take
children?
care of the dog.
Take care of dogs. Do they have children?
As of now, it's nothing.
None. Only pets. Only
Yeah,
dogs.
pets. Because my madam is still only pregnant now, still not delivery.
Ah, okay. So you're in charge of all the household chores and you're looking after two dogs,
Yeah.
right? Two dogs. Okay. So what do you like most about your present job and why? What do you enjoy doing? Cleaning,
I
looking
mean,
after
Joe.
the dogs?
Yeah,
What?
cleaning, washing,
Mhm.
dress, ironing clothes also, everything.
Everything. Okay, describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet? And which part of the house are you going to clean first?
I'm going first in the bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
and then after finish, I go in the bed
Mm-hmm.
to fixing the bed sheet,
Mm-hmm.
and after finish that, I need to cleaning all the things, for example, dusting, and then after I finish to make the dusting, vacuum. After finish the vacuum, I do the mop with Dettol.
Dito. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around? There's a
Sorry.
delivery man outside, your employer is not around, what are you going to do?
If deli some delivery man in
Yeah,
outside,
there's a delivery man outside, but your employer is not around. What are you going to do?
nothing. Only I'm speaking the intercom, and then I'm not let to go inside.
Okay. So,
Even my boss or madam is saying let to go inside.
okay, so do you know how to cook?
Not much.
Not much. Okay. Are you willing to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, can you follow instruction in cookbooks? Cookbooks, can you follow instruction? Recipe
Yeah.
books?
If there is,
If
I
there
can
is,
do
you
it.
can follow. Okay,
Yeah.
what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself. Yeah. What qualities do you have that makes you a good housemaid?
Quality.
Yeah, like for example, are you hardworking, honest, flexible?
Yeah, yeah. I'm honest. I'm hardworking also. And because I work already in Saudi Arabia before, and then in UAE.
Okay, you're honest and hardworking.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Thank you.